Welcome to Beta Mail, where in this video we're going to be attaching these three hooks to this piece of furniture behind. Tools you're going to need then, I've got a cordless drill with the appropriate drill bit. This material is wood, so I've got a wood drill bit. I've then got a pencil, screwdriver, tape measure. I've got my 3 screws that these hooks are going to attach onto. I've got my 3 hooks themselves, and then a spirit level as well. So the first top tip when selecting your screws to attach the hooks to, these hooks themselves, the screw's going to go into the piece of furniture and then the hook's going to sit on the end of the screw. Now I'm using just old screws that I've got laying around rather than going out and buying some new ones, but check first that the head of the screw isn't too big for the hooks to hook onto. So this one's too big, doesn't quite go in, so that's my first top tip. So the first thing I've done, I've measured the width along here, and then I've marked the centre line here. Now I'm lucky, I've already got a natural line where the 2 bits join here at the back. If you don't, this is where you could use your spirit level, just to make sure that you've got a nice level line across and then find the centre point. I'm not going to drill into this line directly because I don't want to separate the 2 bits that are glued together. So I've marked my centre point. I'm going to drill just a bit up from this for my first point. So I've measured an inch up from that centre line, so I'm just going to drill in now. Not all the way, I don't want to go completely through the furniture, just about 1/2 centimetre or so. Nice and steady. Now that's my pilot hole essentially that I can now screw the screw into. Again, I don't want to go all the way through because I want the screw to actually bite into the wood itself. So now I'm going to measure my 2 other holes. I want them equidistant from the edge to that centre hole on this side, and then the same on this side, so I've got nice even spacing between all 3 holes. So all 3 screws are in place now. So all I'm going to take is this particular hook and slot it on just there. Now these were sort of cheap, sort of funny ones from IKEA. Again, you get some hooks that you just have to screw in directly, but it's still recommended do your pilot holes first with the drill, so you've got something to screw into, so it doesn't skim all over the place, and it gives you that nice accurate placement when you're putting it into your furniture. So that's it, job done, kids will be happy, and we'll crack on with the next task. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video and found it useful, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.